Effective acupuncture treatments before surgery. There are times in which our health necessitates us going in for surgery for one reason or another. For some of us, it may be what is referred to as a routine procedure, but for others, the surgery that we are going through may be life-altering and very severe. Regardless of why we are going in for the surgery or of how severe the treatment, acupuncture is one way that has been used to help us to get through the process easier. What different things can acupuncture do for us when we need to have surgery? Acupuncture has actually been used for thousands of years, but it has only recently become popular in the westernized world. As more people are using the procedure, they are finding that it benefits us in many different ways. One of the ways in which it benefits us is through pain management and by keeping our body in a balanced state. The entire concept of qi, the energy that flows through our body and of the balance that needs to exist in all things, is what brought about the art of acupuncture. Now, they're using this ancient Chinese medicine in order to help us when we are undergoing surgery. Acupuncture can be administered before and after surgery as a way to reduce the amount of pain that an individual is feeling. As a matter of fact, it is sometimes administered during surgery in order to keep the individual from feeling some of the pain of the surgery itself. Not only is it available to block pain to a certain extent, it is able to help us to heal so that we have a shorter recovery time that involves less pain. It also keeps us from having to take too much pain medication during that time. Another thing that acupuncture is able to do is to reduce the amount of nausea that is experienced by women who are undergoing breast surgery. Nausea is a fairly common side effect that is felt by these women, but acupuncture is able to overcome some of the discomfort and negative experiences that they may have. As we continue to learn more about the benefits of using acupuncture during surgery, it's hard to tell how frequently it will be used in order to control pain and to help keep the body in a balanced condition.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.